Welcome to Destination Perfect. Today we're exploring Freetown, Sierra Leone, a city with a complex past but an inspiring present. Freetown is alive with energy, stunning beaches, and a history that's both profound and uplifting. We're counting down the top 18 must-visit places, from rescued chimpanzees to vibrant markets and serene beaches. Stick around for hidden gems at the end. You won't want to miss them. Let's dive in. First up, Tacugama Chimpanzee Sanctuary, a true haven for rescued and orphaned chimps. Set in the lush rainforest, this sanctuary is all about rehabilitation and conservation, not just display. Guided tours let you meet the chimps, hear their stories, and see them thrive in a near-natural habitat. Watching these intelligent creatures play is both moving and unforgettable. Tacugama isn't just a must-see, it's a cause worth supporting. It's the perfect introduction to Freetown's spirit of hope and restoration. Don't miss it. Next, we hit Lumley Beach, Freetown's social hub and playground. By day, it's alive with fishermen, football games, and families. By night, the beach bars and restaurants come alive with music and laughter. Grab a cold drink, enjoy fresh seafood, and soak in the legendary sunsets. The vibe is welcoming, and you'll quickly feel part of the community. Whether you want to party or just relax, Lumley Beach has it all. It's the pulse of modern Freetown. Don't leave without experiencing it. At the heart of Freetown stands the iconic cotton tree, a living symbol of freedom and endurance. Freed slaves gathered here in 1792 to celebrate their new beginning, making it the city's spiritual birthplace. Today, it's a serene monument amid the city's bustle, connecting past and present. The cotton tree is more than a landmark, it's Freetown's soul. Stand beneath its branches and feel the weight of history. It's a must for any visitor. Don't miss this powerful reminder of resilience. Just steps from the cotton tree, the Sierra Leone National Museum is a treasure trove of history. Inside, you'll find artifacts from Sierra Leone's diverse cultures, including masks, textiles, and tools. The museum doesn't shy away from tough topics. There are moving exhibits on the slave trade, colonialism, and civil war. It's a small space with a huge impact, offering deep insight into the nation's journey. Visiting here gives context to everything you'll see in Freetown. It's essential for understanding the city's spirit. Don't skip it. Aberdeen is Freetown's hotspot for dining and nightlife. This waterfront neighborhood is packed with restaurants serving everything from fresh lobster to Lebanese cuisine. As the sun sets, the area transforms, music fills the air, and the party begins. Whether you want to dance or just enjoy ocean views with a cocktail, Aberdeen delivers. It's a showcase of Freetown's cosmopolitan side. For a night out, this is the place to be. Experience the city's modern energy here. Now, we journey to Bunce Island, a site of deep historical significance. Once a major British slave trading post, its ruins are a haunting reminder of a painful past. Guided tours share powerful stories. Connecting the island to the Gullah Geechee people in the U.S. Nature is reclaiming the site, making it both beautiful and somber. Visiting Bunce Island is emotional but essential for understanding Sierra Leone's history. It's a place of remembrance and reflection. The experience will stay with you long after you leave. A must for any history lover. For breathtaking views, head up to Leicester Peak. The drive winds through lush hills, ending with panoramic vistas of Freetown, the mountains, and the sea. It's the perfect spot for photos or quiet reflection, especially at sunset. From here, you see the city's unique geography come alive. Leicester Peak gives you the big picture, literally. Don't forget your camera. Back in the city, St. George's Cathedral stands as a testament to Freetown's colonial and Creole heritage. Built in 1828, its simple architecture and stained glass windows tell stories of faith and community. Inside, it's peaceful, a sanctuary from the city's bustle. The cathedral is still active, and attending a service is a memorable experience. It's a cornerstone of local history. Take time to explore its plaques and memorials. A quiet, beautiful stop. River number 2. Beach is pure paradise. White sand, turquoise water, and lush mountains. The river meets the sea here, creating a calm lagoon perfect for swimming and canoeing. Managed by the local community, the beach remains unspoiled and authentic. Enjoy fresh seafood with your toes in the sand. It's a peaceful escape and a taste of Sierra Leone's natural beauty. Don't miss this postcard-perfect spot. It's relaxation at its finest. King's Gate is a small monument with huge meaning, inscribed with "Any slave who passes through this gate is declared a free man." It marks the start of freedom for many. The arch stands as a tribute to Freetown's founding ideals. Pause here to reflect on the city's origins. It's a simple but powerful symbol, essential for understanding Freetown's identity. The Freetown Central Mosque is a striking symbol of the city's religious harmony. Its grand dome and minarets dominate the skyline, welcoming all with its beauty. Built by freed slaves of Yoruba origin, it's a testament to Sierra Leone's diversity. Visitors are often welcome to learn about its history and community. The mosque embodies peaceful coexistence, a must-see for its architecture and spirit. The National Railway Museum is a hidden gem for history buffs. Housed in old railway workshops, it showcases restored locomotives and carriages, including one used by Queen Elizabeth II. The passionate guides bring the exhibits to life with personal stories. It's a hands-on, heartfelt tribute to a lost era. Climb aboard and imagine journeys of the past. The museum is a story of preservation and pride. Don't miss this unique slice of Sierra Leonean heritage. For a tranquil, eco-friendly escape, head to John Obi Beach. Known for its sustainable lodges and community focus, it's perfect for disconnecting and recharging. The beach is wide, quiet, and ideal for surfing or relaxing in a hammock. Stay in eco-lodges that blend into the landscape and support the local village. It's a conscious way to travel and connect with nature. John Obi is a peaceful paradise with purpose. Experience serenity here. Ready for sensory overload? Welcome to Big Market, the heart of Freetown's commerce. This bustling market is packed with colorful textiles, crafts, and local goods. Bargain with friendly vendors and soak up the lively atmosphere. It's the best place for souvenirs and people watching. Even if you don't buy, the experience is unforgettable. Hold on to your bag and dive in. Big Market is Freetown's vibrant soul. Don't miss it. Escape to nature at Charlotte Falls, hidden in the mountains above Freetown. A scenic hike leads you through a historic village to a serene waterfall and cool pool. It's a peaceful oasis, perfect for a refreshing dip after your trek. The falls are surrounded by lush greenery and local charm. Popular with locals, it's a great spot to unwind. Charlotte Falls is a reminder of Freetown's natural beauty, a hidden gem worth the journey. The Sierra Leone Peace Museum is a place of reflection and learning. Located at the site of the Special Court, it chronicles the country's journey from civil war to peace. Exhibits feature personal stories, photos, and artifacts that are both moving and educational. The Memorial Garden offers a quiet space for remembrance. Visiting here is sobering but essential for understanding Sierra Leone today. It's about healing and hope, not just history. A powerful, important stop. Explore the ruins of old Fourah Bay College, West Africa's first university-level institution. Founded in 1827, it was a beacon of learning and Pan-African thought. The weathered stone remains are a monument to education and progress. Walking here, you feel the legacy of generations of leaders. It's a quiet, atmospheric site with huge historical significance. Few tourists visit, but it's a must for history lovers. Celebrate Sierra Leone's intellectual heritage. For the ultimate escape, set sail to the Banana Islands, Dublin, Ricketts, and Memeho. The boat ride is scenic, and the islands are lush, peaceful, and full of history. Explore sandy paths, historic villages, and remnants of the slave trade. Snorkel, dive, or just relax on pristine beaches. Stay in local guest houses and enjoy fresh seafood. Life here is slow and welcoming, a true island paradise. It's the perfect way to end your Freetown adventure. Don't miss this slice of heaven. That's our whirlwind tour of Freetown's 18 must-see spots. From history to beaches, Freetown is a city of resilience, beauty, and warmth. We hope you're inspired to see Sierra Leone in a new light. If you enjoyed this journey, like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Which spot captured your imagination? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for exploring with us and being part of the Destination Perfect community. Until next time, travel safely and stay curious. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.